Have you ever wondered how to make the perfect New York-style cheesecake? Well, ponder no more. Today we're going to break down this classic dessert into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First off, gather all your ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1 stick of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Moving on to the filling, gather 2½ pounds of cream cheese, 1 cup of granulated sugar, ½ cup of heavy cream, 5 large eggs, zest and juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. Begin with the crust. Position an oven rack in the middle of the oven and preheat to 325 degrees F. Combine the graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, brown sugar, and salt until evenly moistened. Press this mixture into the bottom and halfway up the sides of a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust until golden brown, which should take between 15 to 18 minutes. Once done, let it cool completely on a rack. For the filling, add the cream cheese to a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment and beat on medium speed until smooth. Add the granulated sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Gradually add the cream, beating until combined. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Add the lemon zest and juice, vanilla and salt, and beat just until combined, taking care not to overwhip. Pour this mixture into the crust. Next step involves a kettle of boiling water. Carefully place the roasting pan in the oven and pour enough hot water in the roasting pan to come about halfway up the side of the foil-wrapped springform pan. Bake until the top of the cheesecake is lightly browned around the edges, but the center still jiggles slightly, which should take about 2 hours. Remove the cheesecake from the roasting pan to a rack. Run a knife around the edges and cool to room temperature. Cover and refrigerate at least 8 hours and up to overnight. Finally, bring the cheesecake to room temperature 30 minutes before serving. Remove the springform ring, dip a knife in warm water, and wipe dry before slicing each piece. And there you have it, the perfect New York-style cheesecake. This is a dessert that's rich, creamy, and absolutely worth the wait. Happy baking!